A very warm welcome to the parents and students of St. John's. Hope you all are safe. Today, I'm going to take you to the method of uploading a video in the form of a Google Drive link through our St. John's Parent app. Go to your Google Drive, click on the plus symbol. Click on the upload option. You have to click the three buttons which are on the left hand top corner. Then go to gallery. Search for the video which you want to upload. You can see the video to be uploaded. Click on the video. Click the three buttons. You can see that the video is being uploaded. It would take some time, children. Be very patient. See, you can see waiting to upload option. I repeat, be patient, parents and students, because this would take time depending upon your internet speed. We have a video on the left hand side. For example, we are showing this. So click on the three buttons. Now, once you click the three buttons, you have to go to be careful that the link sharing option is on. If it is switched off, please make it on. Link sharing should be on. Then go to copy link. So you can see the link is copied in the clipboard. Now you have to go to the St. John's Parent app. So once you go to St. John's Parent app, you can see in communications, you can see assignments. There you can see submit now. Once you click the submit now button, you can see in the answer column you can see a small icon which shows a link. Click on the icon. Before X. Click on the icon before X. Now you can see insert the link option. Now if you touch it, then you can click OK there. So once you click OK, a link is copied near the answers column. Now you have to tick. You can see a tick mark on the right hand side column. You have to just click it. So once you click it, the video gets uploaded into our St. John's Parent app. Thank you, parents and children.